Okay, guys, I found a drop shipping platform that, I mean, you could do this in your sleep. This is so beginner friendly. It is probably, in my eyes, the best beginner friendly side hustle that you could do in 2026 or 2027 going into that. I mean, this thing is so simple, and I just want to show you a couple of things and show you how this works. So all you do is register, you create a store with AI, and I'm going to show you what the store looks like. And I usually do an intro and all that, but I got to show you the software because I'm just crazy about it. The AI selects your products based on your niche. So if you do health or whatever supplements, it'll pick the top supplements. So you don't even have to go into Google Trends and find those, but I'll show you how to do that. It goes live in about 24 hours. And then you start profiting, and I'm going to show you how much you profit. It's a scale, and you don't earn, or they don't earn. Dropcoast doesn't make money unless you make money. That's where the big game changer is here, because I've done drop shipping. I've spent a lot of money on drop shipping, and I never get a sale. But this one, you put $50 in there, get the store up and going, and you start making money. And of course, there's no guarantees on making money in anything. You know, I got to throw that disclaimer in here. But if you are consistent with this and you put in the work and everything else, there's great possibility here. So the suppliers come to you, so you don't have to outreach to them. You don't have to spend all your time. And if you've done drop shipping in the past, you could spend hours, weeks, months searching for the best products, contacting suppliers, seeing if you can become a drop shipper. But look at this. No financial commitment up front. We invest in your success first. Our earnings model is aligned with yours. Even the advertising handled. Ads are the hardest part, and doing Facebook and all that. So you don't know your audience, especially in a drop shipping product. It's nationwide. So you can do your ads inside the platform. It integrates with your existing WooCommerce or Shopify. But when you build a store in this, here's the cool part. You can pick a domain, it sets up the domain, and within 24 hours, you have your own domain, your own login. And it looks like it builds off of WordPress, which I was really impressed with, because WordPress is the most SEO friendly platform that I've ever used. And I know that because we've done SEO. But here you go. How you earn. Simple earnings share model. Fund your balance, product sells. You keep the profit margin on every order. So whatever, and I'm going to show you, you can see the actual profit margin on each product as you add it. So you top off your balance. They even take crypto, which is cool. Your balance covers the product costs when orders come in. So customers order, the product sells, every sale is tracked, you keep the margin. So your profit, just giving you a range, 18 to 23%. Now, we all know if you're an affiliate with Amazon or a lot of affiliates, you're not making 3% hardly. So, but everything's included. The multi-store management, all your analytics are in there. The earnings, profit, tracking, full order management tracking. Here's some reviews, what they're saying about it. And it looks like all really good positive reviews. Of course, a website on their own website are going to have good reviews, but we're going to do this. We're going to test this thing over the next couple of months and see how it performs and see what we can make off this thing. But the pricing is simple. Basically, zero setup fees, zero monthly subscription. That was a cool thing. And 1 to 2% earnings share. So you share 1.2% with them, which is nothing. You make the sale, costs are deducted, profit is split. It's that simple. And so here's your basically your earnings, share beats subscription. And here's the typical SaaS, which is software as a service, which a lot of the drop shippers are. But look at Dropcoast, no zero to start. Zero, we both earn less. So direct, our earnings grow with yours. Every dollar itemized in your dashboard, ad spend. Anytime, no penalties. You can cancel at any time. Great support. I've already reached out to them and they were back to me in like 2 minutes or less on an email. You keep 98.8% of your net earnings. So I'm going to show you the back end. Let's jump in there and show you this real quick. So here's the website that I set up. And let me just go back here. We'll go to the home page. Let me get out of this dashboard real quick. And so what I like about WordPress, it's super easy to edit if you needed to edit. I've already pulled out a couple of these tabs up here because really you only need home, account, checkout, and shop. But look at as you go down and how clean and it just pops. So mine's called Irby, Irby.ink, Inc. So if you look at these different products, there's going to be, in my shop, there's a lot of products in here because I keep adding to it. And so you can add as many as you want. I've got 231 products in here, but they look sharp. Some of them there don't have images just because that's the way they are. And I'd probably pull those out because nobody buys products without the images. But if we go into the back end here, you can see where I topped it off with $50 for products to cover that cost. And so this, you can have multiple sites. I mean, I could add another store here and you just go in and have the AI build the site and you just click order now. And so if I wanted to go into the fishing niche or whatever, or I found something on Google Trends, I could do that. Here's my products down here. So I can add with manually or with AI, which I did all these with AI. But check this out. When you go to Google Trends, I was looking for a few of these in collagen peptides. I teach a lot of people how to make money. I've been making money on my own. I haven't worked for anybody for over 20 years. And so I know how to make money. And my wife always says that. So I use Google Trends a lot because check this out. Peptides for muscle growth. It says breakout. That means that this is in the last 24 hours. That means this is about ready to break out. So I would look for peptides and for muscle growth, whether they're gummies or whatever. This is Topic, Bloom Topic. These are different products here, a couple of these, but you can see what's trending, where it's trending. Surprisingly, there's a lot of interest in Wyoming, Oklahoma, but I'm not worried about the states. I just want to see what the products are doing because I want some of the top products and some of the other platforms that I'll use is StoreClaw. So magnesium, these are the top supplement products that this is just a platform we use for research. And so these are the 5 top products in that particular deal. Beef liver capsules. Probiotics is huge. Another one is this Calodata. We use this also for TikTok products, but you can use this for drop shipping and find the highest converting health products and then go back into your store here and basically search for those products and add those in. So if I wanted to make sure I had peptides, I could go in and do it with AI or whatever I want. So statistics, and this is where it's going to get fun. This store has only been up for a couple hours, but I'll be able to see my store health, my growth streaks, my AI insights, my store comparisons. If I have a couple stores, even different products that are jumping out there. And then my finances, I can see where I added balance, topped it off. So I'm totally funded at right now at, it looks like $100. So that allows me to pay for the products. And then, but there's a lot of different stuff in here and just your overview. You'll be able to go in here, see your analytics once it starts earning. And like I said, I'm going to do additional videos on this and we're going to grow. I want to grow with you guys and show you how this works. Nothing at this point because all I see is the pros. I like the fact that they earn if you earn. So you're not, they want to help you. So who do I think Dropcoast is for? I think this makes the most sense for someone who has been curious about drop shipping and is a beginner that's overwhelmed with everything involved in trying to get started. So if you're building a store, choose products, writing descriptions, running ads, it gets to be a lot. And Dropcoast makes complete process so easy. So could this become a real side hustle? I truly believe that this could really break out into something big. And of course, there is no guarantees on any side hustle that you do. You've got to put in the work. I mean, that's the bottom line is you have to be consistent. So I can't give you financial advice on this, but results really depend on your time and your effort, your store performance, what you're doing behind the scenes. So the opportunity is that Dropcoast lowers the barrier to entry. And but like any side hustle, you still need to be consistent. Track what's happening. Only start with what you're comfortable starting with, and that's what I always say. So hope you